in the afternoon. I forgot to vlog this morning. Don't hate me. But what was I going to say? Actually, this video is not an actual video, but a vlog. Can I not speak? I cannot speak. Okay, cool. Because, you know, today, Saturday, 17th, I'm actually having my friends come over. And I get it. You don't come at me. Corona. What is this? We're all negative. We all tested. We all are saying, no, we're all gonna be safe, okay? We're not gonna go anywhere. We're gonna stay at my house, but I'm having a girls' night sleepover for Halloween edition, and you know, I spent the whole day cleaning since 7 in the morning, and I completely forgot to vlog. I know, I'm pathetic. I'm a failure of a YouTuber, but besides that, yeah. I have almost everything done. I cleaned my bed sheets. I cleaned the blankets for people to use. I can finally vlog like this because I can show you my background, which makes me so happy. Which, if you haven't checked out my updated room tour, I think you should check it out because you get to see pretty cool things. And if you want to know where this picture wall is from, you can get it over there because it's linked down below. So go check it out. I'll have it somewhere up here, somewhere linked down below. So yeah, so I cleaned, and I actually did. I have a broom next to me because I'm still sweeping my room. Cute. I actually did some really cute stuff. I'm gonna show you guys. Wacky. Okay, it's dark. Okay. So, it's taco night, so we're making tacos, and I made some really cute little stuff for my girls. There's more. This is just like a small part of it, but I made a really cute stuff for my girls. Let me show you guys. Like, how cute is this? Like, oh shoot. Like, how I got some on my hand. Like, how cute is this, guys? Like I've been meaning to do something like this for so long. Like, the strawberry looks terrible, but she cute or whatever. It's supposed to be scary, so it's supposed to look bad. But, you know, these are Oreos. I dipped them in chocolate, strawberries with pretzels, which I kind of want to eat one right now, but I know I can't because it took me so long to make them. So, more chocolate is being brought. I have this really cute stuff to use which haven't been opened. And we have this, we have that, and then it's gonna be a majestic taco night and girls night. And my favorite part, this, I just did it. I love it. I think it's really cute. So yeah. Hi guys, so last time I talked to you, I showed you everything that I was getting done for the girls night. My girls are here.
Yeah, we are. What?
Trinity, Anissa, and Lana.
Not you forgetting my name.
Either way, we just took some pictures. If you want to see the pictures, follow the IGs. I'm gonna be linking them all down below. Lana and I are really cute Playboy bunnies. She's doing black while I do white, which I think is adorable. The wind is really bad, as you can tell. And, you know, we got different costumes. I'm gonna show you the girls so they can introduce their costumes.
Hello. Okay, so I'm wearing not the hair. I'm wearing my shorts and my Amazon shirt. And where are these from again? Spirit Halloween.
Yes.
And also Spirit Halloween plug. Okay, bye.
Introduce yourself in your costume.
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Trinity, and this is my outfit. If you don't know, I'm from Clueless. 90s, you know, cute or whatever. With sweat, alright, yeah, with the skirt and the thigh highs.
The boots. Ooh, she. Anissa, introduce yourself.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
That's it.
Okay. So I'm Anissa. Yeah. So I was gonna come in my pajamas because I didn't feel like dressing up, but I'm a spy.
Oh.
Pew pew.
Look. Oh, it's a drop for me. Put the glasses on. Yep.
Super cool. Do a cartwheel or something. Okay. In the Crocs. Oh lord.
Oh lord.
Yes.
Yay! Yay! Don't fall. She could be my bodyguard.
Anyone would be afraid of me if I like pulled up on him. So take it till you make it.
Tell my girls, Gianna hasn't gotten here yet, so.
Don't even know who that is, but not yeah.
But you know,
Oh, ew, cringy.
we're having a few pictures, and then we're gonna. It's gonna be taco night, as I told you before. And we're gonna watch movies. We're gonna stay in our costumes for a while because I don't feel uncomfortable with them yet. It's very comfy.
Yeah, right.
So we're gonna stay with our. We're gonna stay in our costumes for a while, and I'm gonna wait for Gianna to come so we can take more pictures. And it's just, you know, it's just the fun for me. And I guess we're going all inside. But yeah, guys, we took some cute pictures, and I'll post them on the IG. So. Okay, guys. So it is. What time is it? 10. I got paint on my ears. Stop, I don't like that. I got paint on my ears. Oh, really? Here. Either way, it's 10 something. My parents went to bed. Gianna left. We're painting pumpkins. So we're all doing something different. We're gonna watch a scary movie later, and then we're gonna change. I gotta change, take makeup off. I feel disgusting right now. But yeah, we're gonna do that. And yeah, guys, I'm excited to show you what we're gonna do.
Yes.
But yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna end the vlog because, you know, we're just gonna watch movies and then we're probably gonna pass out. So yeah.